Did you know that the electric bike market has seen a staggering 50% increase in usage this year alone? What if you could revolutionize your daily commute? Electric bikes are no longer just a niche market. They're fast becoming a pivotal solution for modern transportation challenges. Their popularity is skyrocketing as more people discover their benefits. But why exactly are electric bikes such a game changer? First off, they offer a remarkable blend of efficiency and eco-friendliness. With the ability to bypass traffic, save on fuel costs, and reduce your carbon footprint, they're a win for both you and the environment. Plus, they make commuting and running errands more enjoyable, thanks to their ease of use and the sheer fun they offer. Whether you're tackling urban traffic or exploring new trails, an electric bike can enhance your ride in ways you might not expect. Today, we're exploring the top 5 electric bikes that stand out in the market. From affordable options to high-performance models, we've selected bikes that cater to various needs and budgets. And to help you make an informed choice, all the links to these bikes are available in the description below to confirm their prices. Let's dive into the list and find out which electric bike is perfect for your next adventure. Starting off at number 5. Aventon Pace 350. The Aventon Pace 350 is powered by a 350-watt rear hub motor, paired with a 36V11 6Ah battery. This combination gives you a range of up to 40 miles on a single charge, perfect for commuting and casual rides. Its sleek design integrates the battery into the frame, offering a clean, modern look. At around 50 pounds, the Pace 350 is lightweight for an e-bike in its class, making it easy to handle and maneuver, especially in city environments. Its balance of weight and power makes it ideal for both new and experienced riders. The 350-watt motor provides a smooth, responsive boost, perfect for tackling moderate hills and maintaining a steady speed on flat terrain. While it may not have the power of higher-end models, it's more than enough for everyday riding. The Aventon Pace 350 has a top speed of 20 miles per hour, which is great for keeping pace with urban traffic while still ensuring a safe and comfortable ride. This speed is more than adequate for most commuting and leisure needs. So, why should you consider the Aventon Pace 350? One of its main selling points is its affordability. It offers a solid performance at a price that is accessible to most riders, making it a great entry-level option. The bike's integrated battery and motor design create a sleek look, and the range of up to 40 miles is impressive for its price range. Additionally, its lightweight design and ease of use make it ideal for city commuting and casual rides. The Pace 350 also comes with a user-friendly LCD display that shows essential riding metrics, adding to its convenience. However, the Aventon Pace 350 may not be for everyone. One reason to consider other options is its limited power compared to more expensive e-bikes. With a 350-watt motor, it may struggle on steeper hills or in more demanding riding conditions. The bike also lacks advanced features such as suspension forks, which means that riding on rougher terrain might be less comfortable. Additionally, the bike's top speed is capped at 20 miles per hour, which may not satisfy those looking for a higher performance ride. Finally, while the bike's range is decent, it may not be sufficient for long-distance commuters or riders who need more endurance. The Aventon Pace 350 is a fantastic choice for those seeking an affordable and reliable electric bike for everyday use. Its balance of power, range, and design make it a strong contender in the entry-level e-bike market. However, if you're looking for more power or advanced features, you might want to explore other options. Number 4 on the list, the Ride Oneup 500 series. The Ride Oneup 500 series is a solid, budget-friendly e-bike powered by a 48V13Ah battery and a 500-watt rear hub motor. This combination offers up to 45 miles of range per charge, making it great for commuting or weekend rides. It features a 7-speed Shimano drivetrain, 27.5-inch tires, and hydraulic disc brakes, which provide excellent stopping power. The aluminum alloy frame adds durability, while still maintaining a comfortable ride. At 53 pounds, it's a bit heavier than some e-bikes, but that weight contributes to a stable ride, especially at higher speeds. The 500-watt motor provides good acceleration and enough power to tackle hills, while the top speed of 28 miles per hour with pedal assist and 20 miles per hour using throttle makes it ideal for fast commutes. If you're looking for power, range, and versatility on a budget, the Ride Oneup 500 series is a fantastic option. It provides a great combination of performance and value, with features like hydraulic disc brakes and a 7-speed drivetrain for better control. The top speed of 28 miles per hour gives you a quick and efficient ride, perfect for commuting. However, the 53-pound weight can be a drawback if you need to frequently carry it or lift it. It also lacks suspension, which might make riding on rougher terrain less comfortable. Additionally, its range, while decent, may not be enough for long-distance riders looking for more extended journeys. Number 3 on the list. The Specialized Globe Haul Sing is a heavy-duty utility e-bike, equipped with a 700-watt rear hub motor and a 772 Wh battery, offering a range of up to 60 miles. It's built for serious cargo hauling with integrated front and rear racks, making it perfect for commuting or running errands. Weighing around 77 pounds, it's heavier than most e-bikes, but that weight adds stability when carrying heavy loads. Keep in mind, though, it may be difficult to maneuver or store in tight spaces due to its size. The 700-watt motor delivers smooth, reliable power, easily handling hills and cargo. Paired with its large battery, it's designed to handle long trips without worrying about losing charge. It offers a top speed of 28 miles per hour with pedal assist, making it a Class 3 e-bike ideal for city commuting and keeping up with traffic. It's perfect for those who need to carry heavy loads while commuting, thanks to its strong motor, long-range battery, and built-in racks. The bike also features an integrated lighting system, ideal for riding at night. On the downside, its weight makes it less nimble and harder to store, and it's also a bit more expensive than other e-bikes. But you're getting premium durability and performance in return. Number 2. Let's talk about the Rad Power Bike's Radcity 5 Plus, an electric commuter bike designed for urban riders who want comfort and reliability. It comes equipped with a 750-watt geared hub motor and a 48V, 672 Wh battery. This combination gives the bike a range of up to 50 miles per charge, depending on your level of pedal assist. The bike also features a 7-speed Shimano Altus drivetrain, giving you flexibility on varied terrains. The Radcity 5 Plus weighs 65 pounds, making it a mid-weight e-bike. While it's heavier than a traditional bike, the extra weight adds to its overall stability, especially when cruising at higher speeds or carrying gear. The sturdy aluminum frame also adds to its durability, making it perfect for daily commuting. The 750-watt motor offers plenty of power for city riding. It handles hills with ease and provides quick acceleration when needed. Paired with the 672 Wh battery, you'll have more than enough range for commuting, running errands, or weekend adventures. The bike is classified as a Class 2 e-bike, meaning it offers a top speed of 20 miles per hour with both pedal assist and throttle, allowing you to maintain a steady pace without overexerting yourself. There are plenty of reasons to love the Radcity 5 Plus. First, the step-through frame option makes it easy to mount and dismount, especially for shorter riders or those carrying gear. The integrated front and rear lights, plus a rear rack, make it practical for everyday use. The bike's hydraulic disc brakes offer reliable stopping power, even in wet conditions, and the custom 27.5-inch puncture-resistant tires add an extra layer of durability. On the downside, its weight can be a bit cumbersome if you need to lift it or carry it upstairs, and the 20 miles per hour top speed may feel limiting for those seeking a faster ride. Additionally, at around $2,000, it's not the cheapest option on the market, but for its features, it offers excellent value. Number 1 on the list is Specialized Turbo Vado SL 4.0, a lightweight yet powerful electric bike designed for urban commuters who want performance without the bulk. This model is powered by the Specialized SL 1.1 mid-drive motor, which offers 240 watts of power. While it might sound modest compared to some other e-bikes, the motor is engineered for efficiency and lightweight performance. It's paired with a 320 Wh internal battery, giving you a range of up to 80 miles on a single charge in eco mode. If you want even more range, Specialized offers an optional range extender that adds another 40 miles. At just 33 pounds, it's notably light, making it easy to carry and maneuver. This lightweight design enhances its agility and makes it easier to handle. The 240-watt motor delivers efficient and smooth assistance. It's well suited for urban environments, providing a natural and responsive riding experience. This bike reaches a top speed of 28 miles per hour with pedal assist, classifying it as a Class 3E bike ideal for quick commutes and city riding. Reasons to buy. The Turbo Vado SL 4.0 excels with its lightweight frame, making it easy to handle and transport. Its long-range battery, combined with the optional extender, offers excellent range for longer trips. The bike also includes practical features like built-in lights, fenders, and a Future Shock 1.5 suspension for added comfort. The hydraulic disc brakes provide reliable stopping power. Reasons to avoid. On the downside, the 240-watt motor might feel underpowered if you're used to more robust motors, particularly on steep hills. Also, at around $3,500, it's a significant investment, though it delivers high-quality engineering and performance. That wraps up our look at the top 5 electric bikes you need to check out. Each of these bikes offers something unique, whether it's rugged off-road capabilities, sleek city commuting, or a blend of both. We hope this guide helps you find the perfect electric bike to enhance your riding experience this year. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from TechWise. Drop a comment below with your favorite electric bike or any questions you might have. Thanks for riding along with us, and we'll see you in the next video.